Welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm creating the web API of the project Employee Task Management System. Before I have done two parts of this video. The first one is the database creation using Entity Framework Code first on .NET 5, and on the part 2, the ender functionality of the project using controller and views. And this is the continuation part of that project, and here I'm creating the web API of that project modules, and the next part will be the Angular UI that connected to this web API. So let us start. Before you don't forget to subscribe my channel. I open the project and right click the controller folder, then choose the controllers, then choose the API controller. Then select the API controller with actions using Entity Framework. After that, you will got this window and select here the model and the DB context. Then change the API controller name if you need. Select out. See your creator with all root operation methods. This HTTP GET function used to get all employees from database. And this one, the HTTP gets function with ID for getting one employee details from database. And this is the HTTP put method that's representing the updation of the record. The parameters of this action will be the model along with the ID. Here, first checking the ID is equal to the model ID. Then it will be updated, otherwise it will be written a error message. Then the API URL will be like this. We'll be showing how to connect this API from the Postman letter. Then next is the post method with the model parameter. This method is used for creating this model data to the database. Next method is the remove or delete record from database. Actually, these all method contents are same as the controllers that we use in the MVC controller views. Actually, some parameters and the attributes are different from normal MVC controls to the web API controllers. On the same way, we can create other modules API controllers. For that, I'm showing how to connect this API from the Postman method. First, I run the project, then open Postman. The Postman is the application that widely used for testing web APIs. Here we can test any type of web APIs like authentication based or token based. Okay, first I'm testing the GET API. Open a new tab in Postman, and the basic URL is copied from here and slash API slash the controller name, or we can copy it from here. And get APIs should be select the gets property from here. Okay, then you will get the results like this. Then we can test the create API. On the create API, we should provide the model data. Also, we should select the post property. It results the enter model property along with the ID. Now it is created. We can check it from the get method. Okay, you can see it. And we can test the put API. I'm copying this data and change the ID. We should provide the ID which data we want to update. Then it will result no content because there are no retaining any data after the success updation. So we can test it from get API. Then last we can check the delete API. And check it here. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, then I'm creating the APIs for the employee task module and also the login module. On the login module, I'm not creating all the crude functionality of the API method, and I'm creating the empty API controller. Here enter the login API method. Functionality will be same as the normal login that we have done already. So we can copy it from there. I'm not testing this API from this Postman. I'm doing this one for our next section, Angular UI. Now our API section is completed. Wait for our next part of this project. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.